name is Sarah from Walking with Geistero. Today I want to talk to you about the red clover. The red clover is a herbaceous species flowering plant native to Europe, Northwest Africa and Western Asia, but naturalized in many other regions. Red clover is a wild plant belonging to the legume family, same as beans and peas. That's why the stem and the leaves kind of taste like peas too, while the pink flower of the plant tastes sweet. Red clover is a short-lived perennial plant. It grows between 20 and 80 centimeters tall. It has a deep taproot which makes it tolerant to drought. Its deep taproot gives it a good soil structuring effect, and it can fix nitrogen in the soil, which increases soil fertility. It is the national flower of Denmark and the state flower of Vermont. And now, let's make some iced tea for the summer. First, I will remove any stems and leaves, and then give the flowers a quick rinse. Now I will pour boiling water over this and let it infuse overnight. I don't have a lid for this pot, but I will just put a plate on top of it. Just like this. And now I will let it infuse overnight. The mixture has now been infusing for several hours, and now I will sieve it. Now I will add a squeeze of lemon and some honey, sugar or syrup to taste. Well, cheers everybody. If you enjoy this content, please like, comment and subscribe for more videos coming soon. That's all I have for you for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, see you next time.